Hi everyone! Today is my favorite day of the week and it's cold, very cold outside because it's raining since last night. I'm making sure to warm myself before anything else. So a cup of tea will start my day. The rain reminds me to slow down. We live in a society where we rush things and barely able to catch up for ourselves. It's a real gift to slow down and be conscious of what we do. When it rains and when I'm at home, it makes me always grateful for having a roof over my head. And it's like giving myself a permission to do a little bit. Yeah. And let my body and mind rest a little. Today I'm making one of my simple recipes of pork adobo. As we all know, it's one of everyone's favorite here in the Philippines, pork adobo. Cooking can also be a good exercise. Cooking the perfect meal is going to bring a smile on my face. One of the benefits of cooking is it brings the family together. So, food encourages talk and positivity. Rainy day is actually the best day to get stuck in. It's the best day to slow down. So I'd like to hear from you your stories about how you spend your rainy days at home. So guys, thank you for spending time with me today, and see you again on my next video. Have a wonderful day.